YouTube, let's learn this Jean Dawson song called 90s Green Screen. The chords are A major 7, or D major 7. It starts on D major 7. Then it goes to A major 7. Just kind of a R&B groove. And then the lead guitar is being played in the key of A major. So you could either play A major, like here's the A at the 5th fret, or you could play F sharp minor. On the A string you have F sharp minor at the 9. This is how you know where to place your finger. So you do it at the 5, but I think they're playing at the 9. These are major scale licks. Now you have an A at the 12th fret on the A string, and that's where a lot of it's being played. This is like that extension box. So 15, 12 on the high E. You got 15 on the B and 12 on the B. But then on the G you got 15. And you can play most of those lead lines. They have like some kind of filter on that guitar, like a low pass filter or something. And it's got like some overdrive. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out. I'll put a couple diagrams in here so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.